sembut Menteri Rangba kajela uba Prestun Tensong. Hakas ngibaar ula pynbna baka sarkar kan ai jingarap da kasong pisa kebasan hajar tyngka ya kisau hajar tylli ki longïing. Ki baduna kayo kakot da kebasdan shua na Shillong West Constituency Mawprem. Ia kaneu uba Prestun badairu National Vice President ke NPP. Ula pynbna kajialang penskem ya kakenhun trikam jo ke NPP Shillong West hapo kajialam uba Rishan Rapsang kum u Presiden. Ubadairu hakaju kapor uhenmen jong UMLA bamenta ke Shillong West uba Mohendro Rapsang.
Lok bagi don na kaneka changmit ban priskem ya kaneka parti ke jongi kabanga ngadon ban om kolong na kaliang jong u national president u chief minister jongi umla ban don lang menta kenai kabanga pa ban ong yapi kan National People's Party Nadu u national president, hadu u state president, district, but hadu u pi block. Ngidia trailang kumsi para, kumsi ying si sen, na kabentang kajingbit kajingbiang jong kita. One more important announcement I would like to share with all of you tonight. Since last year, I think you must be aware, government has taken initiative to launch Focus One. We call it Focus One. And this Focus One, when we took initiative, when we launched it, we were targeting those SHG, self-help group, women help self-help group, where we used to give them 5,000 rupees per member. If they are 10 members, each SHG, they are getting the working capital, I should say, 50,000 rupees. And now we are in the stage where each and every SHGs throughout the state in getting all these working capitals to all of them. And recently, this year, we again taken an initiative, the second phase of Focus, which is known as Focus Plus. Focus Plus, we already launched in Karo Hills, and some parts of this site also we launched. So for your benefits, I would like to tell you, please understand, through this block, through this committee, if you want to meet me or you want to meet CM, please make sure to meet us. We can explain to you more details how to avail again this financial assistance. At this time, we wanted to give it individually. 5,000 rupees again to each individual household, weakest section, and we wanted to complete this mission as early as possible. From this constituency, I would like to tell you, please submit the names of 4,000 households. 4,000 households at the rate of 5,000 each household through the committee. And I would request, as I said, to all the affairs bearers, you can come and meet me, and you can also come and meet the Honorable Chief Minister at any time convenient to both of us. Because this again, NPP-led government. Now we wanted to focus that the government is partnering with the weaker section of people in the state of Meghalaya. And we wanted also to make sure that their economical condition is improved through this initiative taken in the name of Focus Plus. I think now you got the point, you understand, right? Have you noted down, especially from the women or maybe the active member of the bloc? And I'm sure if you can avail 4,000 households, it should be a blessing. And you will see also a change that is going to happen here in your constituency.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.